Hey everyone, Andy AI. Today I want to talk about the second idea I'm going to build this year. I'm a huge Formula One racing fan, and I wanted to build something that would allow me to enjoy the race even more. So I was thinking to myself, what sort of game could I build that would allow me to watch the race, play along, maybe play with my friends virtually? And I landed on something simple, building Formula One Bingo. So what I'll do is before the race starts, for anyone registered with the website, I will generate bingo cards with random information that could happen during a race. Whether that be the driver and their pole position, or how many red flags there are, how many yellow flags there are, or maybe there's weather information or radio information that I can use to put on the bingo card that can automatically get filled in virtually online as the race is happening. Or maybe you want to download it and play along while you watch the race. All of these things are to be determined. I don't really know how all of this is going to play together just yet, but it'll be something fun we can build together. So make sure you like and subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you my first prototype of Formula One Bingo, and we'll see how it plays out for the Formula One season. Stay tuned. Bye.